What's a new excuse? Lazy Lucy. What's a little scheme you're dreaming up today? Tell me what's the use, Lazy Lucy? Working very hard to find an easy way. It's so crazy, keeping busy, being lazy.
Here comes Lucy.
You'll never catch that one, Jasmine.
What did you say?
Here, catch! Look out!
Oh.
Cooey! Ah, children, how would you like a lovely pie for tea?
Great, Mummy.
Thanks so much.
In that case, you'll have to pick some apples.
Okay, I'll get some straight away.
You know there's a ladder in the shed you can use.
If I have to carry this huge ladder out just to pick some apples, I'm going to be completely exhausted. There has to be a lazier way. It's your turn now, Paul, with a two-person ladder.
You're not tall enough, Lucy.
Neither are you, little brother, but don't you worry. I'll find a better way to do it. Promise. I think I've got an idea. But yes, of course, that's it! Ta-da! Would you like to play a brand new game with me?
Yes, but don't forget we've got to pick apples, Lucy.
Exactly. That's what we're going to do by playing Leap Apples.
Your game's a lot of fun.
Yes, but the rules are you have to catch apples.
I know.
Oh, it's not so easy.
I'm giving up. We'll never reach all those apples.
So, we're gonna play another game.
Yeah, we're gonna play football.
Almost, but this game is even better. It's called apple tree football. We aim at the apples, and when they fall, we catch them in these bags. Ready? You go, Paul. Not bad. My turn now. Oh.
Hey, mine's out.
It's the apples you're meant to catch, not the ball. Got it!
But it looks like the apples aren't ready to fall.
Oops, and neither is our football. How are we going to play now?
Oh, I can make another ball using this balloon.
A balloon, that's a great idea. Paul, you're the best.
Whoa, look at that. The air's coming out.
Here's how to pick apples without getting tired.
What are you going to do with that bag?
It's quite simple. We're going to make our own hot air balloon.
Pumping.
It's good, but we'll have to pump harder. Again.
Children, what are you making?
A hot air balloon. We're going to float up and pick you some apples.
It's ingenious, Lucy, but a bag of air simply won't be enough to lift you off the ground.
Oh, so what are we going to do?
Oh. Cool.
Oh, look at that. My plan works. It's like it's raining apples. Wow! The fruits of our labours.
Thank you, children. But you know I didn't want as many as that. There's only one thing left for us to do.
Oh.
Hang the apples back in the tree.
No, cook some more pies. But I'm going to need some little hands to help me.
Maybe it wasn't such a good idea after all.
More apples apples are just as good.